Good morning, my little champs. How are you? I hope you all are fit and fine. Hopefully, you all have given your best in first UT. And now get ready for first term with same zeal. Okay, my dear students, take out your any copy or diary. Note down the syllabus for first term exam. Write down first term syllabus, September. Exam will be in the month of September. Subject science. Lesson 2, the human body. Lesson 6, food we get from plants. Lesson 11, cleanliness, health and hygiene. Lesson 2, lesson 6, lesson 11. Model test papers 1 and 2. Assessment sheets 1, 2 and 4. All have noted. Lesson 2, Lesson 6, Lesson 11, model test papers 1 and 2, assessment sheet 1, 2 and 4. Very nice. Okay, my dear children, who has given us beautiful body? Okay, God. Take out your books. Page number 1313, Lesson 2, their human body. Write down date, do reading. Who has given us beautiful body? God has given us beautiful body, and we should take care of our body. Students, I am going to tell you few points about our body. Each part of our body is called an organ. It performs a special function. Cells are the smallest unit of our body. Cells of same type join together to form tissue. An organ is made up of different tissues. Different organs that carry out a particular function of the body form an organ system. There are 8 important systems in our body. Each system has its own function. Okay, dear children, let's warm up. Given below are pictures of some organs of our body. Write below each what they help us to do. Brain. It helps us to think. T-H-I-N-K, think. These are lungs. Lungs help us to breathe. B-R-E-A-T-H-E, breathe. It's the heart. Heart helps us to pump blood. P-U-M-P-S-B-L-O-O-D, blood. Okay, who help us to think? Brain. Who help us to breathe? Lungs. Who help us to pump blood? Heart. All have written? Very nice. Now, read on. We'll do the reading. Just as a machine has different parts, like machine has so many parts, our body also has many parts. Our body also has many parts like machine. Each part of our body is called an organ. Underline. Each organ does a specific function. The organs inside our body are called internal organs. For example, brain, heart, lung, stomach, kidneys, liver. These are internal organs of our body. The organs which we can't see are called internal organs. The organs which we can see are called external organs. For example, eyes, ears, nose, etc. Understood? What are internal organs? What are external organs? Internal organs, the organs inside our body are called internal organs. External organs, the organs outside our body are called external organs. Okay. Now see, brain. The brain helps us to think. Who help us to think? Brain. Learn and remember. It is the control center of the body. Who is the control center of the body? Brain. It helps us to think, learn and remember. And brain is the control center of the body. Underline. Next, heart. The heart pumps blood to all parts of the body. Who pumps blood to all parts of the body? Heart. The blood carries oxygen and digested food to each cell of our body. It carries oxygen and digested food to each cell of our body. Revise for 2 minutes. Next, lungs. How many lungs we have? We have 2 lungs. Underline, there are a pair of lungs in our body. They help us to breathe. Who help us to breathe? Lungs. How many lungs we have? 2. Who help us to breathe? Lungs. Next, stomach. Underline, the food that we eat get digested in the stomach. Which food we eat now? It get digested in the stomach. Underline. Okay, my dear students, Try it yourself. Draw arrow from the pictures of the internal organs to the parts of the body. They are located in where the body. Okay. Do coloring also. It's your homework. Understood? Internal organs and external organs.